Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi again, Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to do a dollar arbitrage with your PayPal account. Yes, for those of you who work in Upwork, who work in Fiverr, or who do business online and you receive US dollars, all you just need to do is to follow through this video to the very end, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to do a dollar arbitrage and you get profitable result, or you get profit out of the money in which you have received. Instead of using the normal Nigeria bank rate, you do what I'm going to be sharing with you in this very video. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Kelechi again, Franklin. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks and strategy, and once they work, I come here, I share them with you, and you also get the same result. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a dollar arbitrage and you get the result you are looking for. In one of my videos, I share with you how you can be able to create a Grill account in which you can be able to make use of using your PayPal. So right now, this is my Grill account. This is my Grill account in which I'm using here. As you can see, it's already fully verified, and I have access to my Euro, Great Britain, and my US dollar account. Right now there is nothing on it, but I'm going to do a live withdrawal with you here so that you can be able to see that this particular stuff works and you can get the result you are looking for. Now this is my PayPal account, and I want to go back to my home page and show you how I want to withdraw from my PayPal down to my Grill account. I have been able to show you how you can be able to create a PayPal account in which you can be able to link it to your PayPal account, in which you can link your Grill to your PayPal account. All you just need to do is to follow the link in my description box where I drop the video on how you can be able to create a PayPal account, link your Grill account to it, or your Payoneer account. You can link your Payoneer or your Grill account to this particular account in your PayPal, and then when you want to withdraw, it goes directly to your Grill account. So I'm going to do a withdrawal here. All I have to do first of all is to come here and then click on transfer money. Once I click on transfer money, it will load up. It will load up and it will bring me to this very next page where I have to now decide where I want it to go to. What I linked here is my bank account, which is my Grill account. So, and as you can see here, they say 3% fee will be charged, and you transfer will typically take 1 to 3 days. So depending on when you are doing this particular transaction, it can take some time. All you just need to do is to follow through, as I'm going to share with you how you can be able to do that. So right now I'm going to transfer from my Grill account, from my Payoneer account to my Grill account. As you can see here, 3% charge will be taken. So I click on next, and it will bring me to the very next page telling me where do I want to withdraw from. And I will say I want to withdraw it from my Grill account. So I'll click on it. I'll click on from PayPal to my Grill account. As you can see here, this is my Community Federal Service account, which is what is in my, let me go to my PayPal, my Grill account, and then check my account to ensure that is it. So this is it. This is my Grill account, and this is my life 4 digits 524. So this is it. So I want to make a withdrawal to my Grill account, and then as you can see here, from my PayPal, which is $95.3 to my Grill account, and they say that I'm going to receive $92 because of the charges that will be taken and all of that. So I will be charged $2.86. So I will click on, they say transfer $2.44 now. I'll click on transfer, and as you can see, it's processing, and it say you transferred $92.442 US dollars, which is estimated to arrive 1 to 3 days, and this transaction will be done. So I will say all transactions subjected to review and could be delayed or stopped if we or your bank identity had any issue. So I'll click on done. I'll click on done, and then I'll allow it to load up. As you can see, there is no more money in my PayPal account. That means that this money has been moved from my PayPal to my Grill account. So I'll have to wait for some time so that this money can be able to arrive in my PayPal, in my Grill account.
So guys, after waiting for a full day, my account was created, my Grill account was created from PayPal. And as you can see here, it says your US dollar wallet has been funded successfully, and these are the details. They say transaction detail, amount tended to 92.44 cents US dollars, and I was able to receive $91. So all I'm going to do right now is to go to my Grail account and then confirm that this money has been sent. So the money has been sent to my Grail account, and I was able to swap it to Euro. This is the fund. I was able to swap it to Euro. So let me just check my transaction to show you guys that I was able to receive this particular amount. So this is my deposit aspect of my account, and as you can see here, guys, this was the $91 that was sent to my account from PayPal, and it was verified and it was completed. So all I did was to swap my balance. All I do was to swap my balance from USDT to Great Britain. Yeah, from here it's not difficult. All you just need to do is to come to your home page. When you come to your home page, for you to swap, it's not difficult. Whether it's Euro, Great Britain, or USD. Once you click on this withdrawal aspect, or you just need to, once you come to this swap aspect, this is the swap aspect. So once you click on this swap aspect, you can be able to swap whatever fund you want to swap. So all you just need to do is to swap it by clicking on this. You just put in the particular fund here, then you put the amount which you have in your Grail account, then you now select the amount in which you want to swap it to, and then your phone will reflect automatically within 5 seconds. It doesn't take time. So I was able to swap my US dollar to Great Britain, which you see, this is it right here. And if you check my transaction in which I showed you guys, you will notice that I was able to swap it to Great Britain. So right now I want to withdraw. All I want to do is to click on this withdrawal aspect here, and then I will now put in what I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw to my phone to Naira. I want to withdraw it to Naira. All I have to do is to do this, then I'll put in the amount. I will swap it to, first of all, I have to swap it to my Naira. All I have to do right now is to put in the amount I want to swap. So I'm going to swap 42.2241 euro. That's what I want to swap to Naira, and it's going to give me 46,428 Naira. So I'll click on yes. I confirm to today's transaction that I want to swap it. So all I have to do right now is to click on continue. So once I click on continue, automatically, as you can see here, it says swap successfully. It was successful. So all I have to do right now is to go to my balance, is to click on the balance aspect, and you will notice that I'll click on my Naira, and this is my Naira account here. All I have to do right now is to withdraw my fund. So all I have to do is to withdraw to a saving recipient. Yes, I have a saving recipient already. So all I have to do is to put in the amount here, which is 46,428 Naira 0.73. So that's what I'm going to do. The same sufficient. Also, I have to leave some fund here. Okay. So the minimum amount in which you can be able to withdraw here is 5,000 Naira. So this is what I'm going to withdraw right now. So right here, I have to select the savings recipient account number. So this is my Kuda bank account. So all I have to do here is to put in the description, which is, okay, see my account number. I've put the description. So if you have not put your account, or you have not saved your account here, you can just put it in as a new recipient, then add it there. So once I'm done, all I have to do is to click on I confirm to be debited 46,000 to be sent to this particular account. So all I have to do right now is to click on continue. Once I click on continue, it won't waste time. I will just receive. As you can see here, they say the withdrawal is being processed. So as you can see here, in my Naira account, there is nothing on it. So this is how you can be able to do this PayPal arbitrage. whether you are doing it on your Payoneer, you can send it from your Payoneer to your US dollar account. All you just need to do is to understand how all of these things work. Just send it to your US dollar account here, then you swap it automatically. So once you do this, you can be able to withdraw your funds. Just watch the video carefully. First of all, after you must have swapped, you have sell it to Naira, it will come to your Naira account, then you now will be able to withdraw automatically. So once you're able to do all of these things, all you just need to do is to wait patiently. Your fund will be sent to your bank account. As you can see here, is processing. So I'll wait for some time and this transaction will be completed. So guys, I just received an email not within 2 minutes, and here is the first email telling me that my transaction to my Gray account is successful. And as you can see, all the transaction which I just did, €1 which is going for 730 Naira is being transferred, and everything amounted to 46,428 Naira, which is what I'm about to receive. So I'm going to wait patiently right now. So right now, the next thing I have to do right now is to go back to my email, because it has been successfully sent to and I have seen the alert. So this money has been sent to my wallet, and I just received 46,393. So this is it in your screen. As you can see it on your screen there, I just received that amount, 46,396 Naira 70 Kobo. That was what I just received to my account, and it didn't even take more than 5 minutes. So this is how it works. All you just need to do is to understand how the Grill account works. Just know how to use it, and then you see that you'll be able to make use of it effectively. So the Grill account gives you an opportunity for you to withdraw your fund directly to your bank account at ease without you stretching yourself. So all you just need to do is to know how all of these things work, and then you see that you'll be able to make use of it. So once I click on this withdrawal aspect right now, you see that it's still showing me that it's processing, but it has arrived in my wallet. I've already seen it, and here it is Nigerian transaction has been take longer than usual. Is it to bank network and do but I've already received my money. I've already seen it in my bank app and all of that stuff. So this is to show you that this arbitrage works. All you just need to do first of all is to send it from your PayPal to your Grill account. You can decide to swap it to either Euro, Great Britain, or USD. You sell it like that directly, and then you now transfer it to your Naira wallet, and then from your Naira wallet to your bank account. So once you do all of these things, your money will be received. Instead of you withdrawing it through PayPal rate, you can just withdraw it through Great rate, which their rate is more higher than any other. So once you do all of these things, you will be assure yourself that you will be able to get your phone directly to your wallet or to your bank account. So this is it, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video. See you on my next video. Peace.